everyone, welcome to my Selfie Cash review. Inside this review, I'll discuss everything about Selfie Cash. What is it, its working process, what actually this Selfie Cash method is and what you will learn inside this method, its pricing, upgrades, everything. And I will also discuss about the vendor bonuses nearly worth over $6,000, and I will also give you a special discount and my exclusive bonuses if you get Selfie Cash through my link. So keep watching the video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Bakera Kotha Product Review Expert and click the bell icon to get notification for every trending product review. So let's start the review. So what is Selfie Cash? Selfie Cash is a brand new traffic strategy that generates $500 to $2,000 every day with self-contained free super targeted traffic. And with this Selfie Cash, you can get evergreen sales without thinking about traffic. And Selfie Cash is totally beginner friendly, and you don't need to do any of these following things, like you don't need any experience, you don't need any technical skills, or you don't need have to build funnels, or not need to any list building. You don't need any paid ads or website or business or social media presences, and you don't need any selling or cold calling, and you don't need any network marketing, trading or further investment required. So this is totally a beginner friendly. So if you are 100% beginner friendly, then you don't need to worry about this. And this amazing method Selfie Cash is going to launch at 3rd October at 10 EDT, and the front end price is only $12. But I want to show you something. Here is the special discount. See, the front end price is $12. But see, when you try to cross it, you will get $5 discount. This is really a great opportunity. Okay, and if you I will also give you my exclusive bonuses worth over $33,000 plus if you get the Selfie Cash through my link. I have put the special link in my description below. You can check it out. So here is my exclusive bonuses worth over $33,000 plus. In my bonus bundle, you will get YouTube Velocity. This is a set and forget buyer traffic software that generates traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. Then you will get MIF. MIF is a discovery ad course and bonus page generator software. Then you will get Jina. Jina is actually a complete plug and play push button solution. Then you will get Genobia. Genobia solves the two biggest challenges that all newbies face, like how to get buyer traffic and how to turn it into daily commissions. You will also get Cleopatra. This is a automates the profit strategy on LinkedIn. And you will get Golden Stack. This is a unique method to turn $10 into $215 over and over again by flipping domains. And you will get TweetX, then affiliate marketing from all social media sites with Linktree. And forget about Broke, Nova, Lazy Traffic Sniffer, List Lariat, Aerial Assassin, Midas Touch, Traffic Underdog, 6-figure secrets, Traffic Booster, and lots more. See Affiliate Takeoff, the Super Shakedown, Profit Scope, Profit Force, Octagon, Elevate, Accelerate, and lots more. See, there is a lots of bonuses here. I have put the link in my description below and also in my pinned comment. So if you get Selfie Cash through my link, then you will get my exclusive bonuses worth over $33,000 plus in real world value. This is it. And now let's get back to the review. So what is the Selfie Cash method and what you will learn inside this method? So the Selfie Cash method is you have to find a product to promote, and then you have to record a review video of this product using your mobile selfie camera or your laptop selfie camera, whatever you want, and then you have to upload this video to your YouTube channel, and then you can earn lots of commission. And all these things you will learn inside this Selfie Cash, like you will learn how to promote or choose product, then how to record your review video or how to record review, what is review actually is. You will learn everything step by step. Then you will learn how to upload YouTube video. Everything you will learn inside the selfie cache method, and you don't need to worry about the traffic because the selfie cache has self-contained traffic, so you don't ever need to worry about this traffic. This is actually all about the selfie cache method. Now I will told you why you should get traffic cache. So the traffic cache is a brand new 2021 income system, so you should really get this traffic cache, and this is a free targeted evergreen traffic. You will get free targeted evergreen traffic inside this selfie cache, and you will get high conversions and instant commission with their method, and there is a full video tutorials included, so you will learn everything very clearly and very easily, and this is the one system that answer all your challenges, and you don't need any technical skills or you don't need any experience because this is totally beginner friendly, and this is the end of struggle and wasted of effort, and the time is over the limited the price, so you should get this selfie cache very fast, and this is a totally proven method, so you don't need to worry about this. This is why you should get traffic cache instantly. And here is the some features of selfie cache, and the self-contained free super targeted traffic. It has self-contained free traffic, so you don't need to worry about the traffic sources, and you will get evergreen sales, and if you once set it, and then you can forget it because this is the evergreen sales, and if you have to point the mirror at whatever you want to sell, you can sell anything you want. And here is the ultimate hack for newbies, so if you are 100% newbie, you don't need to worry about this, and you will get true financial freedom with this selfie cache. And here is 180-day money back guarantee, so there is no chance to lose your valuable money because here is 180-day money back guarantee, and they challenges you that if you don't see results with this selfie cache method, they will pay you $300. Okay. Now how the selfie cache works? How actually this selfie cache works? Selfie cache works in just 3 simple steps. In step 1, you have to secure your selfie cache copy. Then you have to launch your money mirror, like you have to review your video or upload it to your YouTube channel. And the step 3, you have to watch the commissions put in. This is the 3 simple steps, and that how selfie cache works. So let's see inside this members area. Here's the dashboard. So inside the dashboard, first you will find the Johnny training video training. Here is all the video training you will get inside this selfie cache. How to find affiliate products to promote, how to improve your chances to affiliate acceptance, how to do a selfie cache review, then how to create a selfie cache review, and how to upload it on a YouTube channel. You will learn everything inside this training video. So I think after watching all this video, this will be very easy to do for you, and you will get every step-by-step training here. Okay, then after completing this, here is the traffic source. Here is all the traffic source: Craigslist, Facebook fan page, Udemy, and then Medium, Mix, Snapchat, Traffic Jacker, Facebook Blaster, Bing Ads, Google Ads, everything. Here is all the traffic sources. So if you are 100% beginner friendly, or if you have any traffic sources, then you don't need to worry about this. Here is the self-contained traffic sources of selfie cache, so you don't need to worry about this. Okay, and then here is all the upgrades. I want to discuss about these upgrades. So here is the funnels of selfie cache. So in this selfie cache front-end one, you will learn how to make $500 to $1,000 a day from anywhere using the selfie camera on your phone. So in the done for you, which is the auto one, you will get instant Warrior Plus delivery via Google Doc with bonuses that users can offer in their selfie cash review. This is a great auto which you will get only just $19. And the auto 2 is traffic on tap. Here you will get the selfie cash review seen by hungry buyers with the Jamie Lewis traffic generating software, which will blast your selfie cash review, and you will get this really awesome opportunity in just $19. And here is the partner with Jamie. Here you will get the opportunity to meet with Jamie, and Jamie will personally train you and act you as your manager, mentor and agent, pulling you up to the hill. This is a really great opportunity, and you will get this great opportunity in just $49. So the auto 4 is ultimate downloads. Here you will get the ultimate business in a box. So here you can download the advertisement campaigns and keywords in a zip file, and you will also loaded this actual PSD templates, and all of these things you will get in just $67. And where you will all the templates, video and white label use, and you can use then as your resale sites. Here is the ultimate autoresponder. You will get only just $17. Here you will get their autoresponder and 60,000 swipes. And here is the marketplace. This is the auto 6, and you will get this only $27. So here you can post your selfie cash review in Jamie's marketplace to guarantee lots of cash. This is a really great opportunity. And here is the vendor edition, and with these upgrades you can obtain the resale rights of the 5 of Jamie's most high converting funnels, and this is the only offered as an exclusive upgrades, and this is not available anywhere on the net, and you will get this opportunity in just $37. So this is all about the funnel details of selfie cash. Now I will show you the vendor bonuses, nearly worth over $6,000. So here is the bonus one. Here you will get how to make $28,000 in just 7 days. So you will get to see inside their personal accounts in depth to see how they make these amounts of money. This is really a great bonus. And bonus 2 is $917 per sale income system. So you can learn how to consistently make $917 per sale on average. This is also a great bonus. And bonus 3 is to $500 a day for 30 days. So you can get your first $500 on sale be existing. So this is also a really great bonus. And bonus 4 is launch creators case studies. You will get the behind the scene of making $9,000 per a day for 7 days. So here you will get all this method. This is also a great bonus. And the bonus 5 is competition devastator. This is also a great bonus. And bonus 6 is autopilot, $1,382 daily, and this is another very interesting model in over the internet. This is also a great bonuses. So you will get all these bonuses if you get the selfie cash, and this is bonuses nearly worth about $6,000, and the value of those bonuses is really very awesome. So I think this is a very great opportunity. You will get also the selfie cash. Okay, and now it's time for my final verdict. So selfie cash is not some so-called traffic app or done for you funnels. This is actually a supernatural brand new method by which people all of ages and backgrounds are seeing high conversions and instant commissions. This is totally beginner friendly, and you don't need to do any hard work and don't be worried about traffic. Selfie cash had its self-contained traffic, and they also offer 180-day money back guarantee, so there is no chance to lose your valuable money. So in my opinion, the selfie cash surely worth a try. So this is actually my review, and thanks everyone for watching my review till the end. Hope my review will help you to make your purchase decision, and if you get this selfie cash through my link, you will also get my exclusive bonuses worth over $33,000 plus in real world value. I have put the special link in my description below and also in my pinned comment. You can check it out, and if you have any questions through my review and about the selfie cash, then please ask in the comment section. I will try my best to answer them. And thanks again for everyone for watching my video till the end. Have a great day. See you on the next video.